When Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong walked to the moon on July 20th, 1969, I thought, if they could do that, I could do that. I went to a bunch of different schools, but basically I'm a farmer and a mechanical engineer and a pilot, fighter pilot, test pilot. My first real job was working in a scientific shipping warehouse, a new way to look at the world. During my first spacewalk, there was contamination inside my spacesuit, got in both my eyes, blinded me. Number one, don't panic. And the second was, you need to do a better job of cleaning the visor of your space helmet because it was actually the anti-fog on the visor that got into my eyes that made me go blind. I went around and around and around the world. I first walked in space during my second space flight. I was the first doing several things. Notice the name of the robot arm is the Canadarm because I was never going to fly in space again. An odd phraseology, but I did a version of David Bowie's classic tune, Space Oddity, which was a play on the word Space Odyssey. This you may not know. I lived at the bottom of the ocean for like 2 weeks because living at the bottom of the ocean inside a habitat, it's sort of like living in space inside a habitat. I think I'm most famous for, strangely enough, playing music.